All right, we'll take a look here. It's been a couple months since I installed this drip irrigation. Got this geranium here. When I originally installed it, I had this lavender plant. It was pretty small a couple months ago. It's gotten a nice size. This time it's really exploded, as has this rose bush. I got this guy. He's been really growing. His leaves finally just getting some flowers, just about ready to bloom. And I got these two cherry tomatoes, black cherry I think. This one's looking really good. For some reason this guy just doesn't grow as well. But I both have these on 2-gallon drip emitters. They used to be 1 gallon. Many things that are really out of control I've changed out to about 1/2-gallon emitters, like this one and this one. My grape plant is slowly coming in. This hibiscus tree, shrub, I don't know what you call it. It's blooming a little bit. It's got some green leaves, but still a little bit slow. Still waiting for summer to kick in. This guy was doing really good when spring hit. Had a lot of flowers and a lot of growth here, as I did with this smaller rose bush. And lantana, that's looking pretty nice. This pepper plant is coming along okay, I guess. The leaves are a little bit on the lighter side, so I just put some fertilizer down. Hopefully that'll make a little difference. Got one more little lavender plant that should take off. And I got this zucchini plant that I grew from seed about 3 weeks ago. It's coming in pretty well. So I put it in a spot where it should get pretty big, have lots of room to grow. And then I had one more rose bush back here that I've never seen bloom before, but I connected another line to it and it seems to respond. So I've been very happy with this drip irrigation system. The possibilities are kind of endless in terms of your small yard, connecting to it and changing things around and all that. I highly recommend it. It's been so much better than hand watering or using a wasteful sprinkler system. So drip irrigation's the way to go, especially here in California with the talk of drought and restrictions. It's really gonna help you out. All right, that's my 2-month update on the drip irrigation. And maybe by summer I'll have one more.